Assalamu alaikum everybody. Right now we are here at Haya by Rabi store in Safa Gold Mall. और आज लैला ज़ुबैरी ने भी हमारे पास आना है. So I would request you guys to hop in and meet her and see my abayas over there. ये जो मैंने अबाया पहना हुआ है ये हया by Rabi का लेटेस्ट अबाया है. And we are going to launch it tomorrow inshallah.